Midland Credit Management. These people are trash. Like trash. Yeah, they're trash, but again, they don't fight my letters. Be a factual disputer, my people. Be a factual disputer. Okay, I don't settle. Why would I settle with a collection agency that paid the debt off from me already? I don't owe the debt. You don't owe the $665. You don't owe them. So I'm not going to settle with y'all. Y'all wildin'. I'm not doing it. Definitely not doing it. Okay. What I'm going to do is I'm going to dispute this. I'm sure you're reporting this wrong on my credit report. There's absolutely no need for us to go back and forth. I'm not paying him. Get this shit off my credit report. Okay. All right. Now let's look at another question. Boom, boom, boom. And the reason why I'm going in and out of this screen is because there's people's names in the comments and all that. Just trying to, I'm gonna edit this and block it out. But yeah, personal stuff on here.